Thanks for joining us on HTSN. I'm Storm Team 6 meteorologist Kyle Mounts, and finally we are putting the rain behind us, but we are still feeling the effects as some of those rivers will continue to rise. Here's a look at just a handful of the rainfall totals from our system Friday night into Saturday. Bloomington, almost 5¼ inches of rain. Over 5 inches of rain fell in Mooresville, about 3½ officially in Indianapolis. Of course, that tapers off as you go to the north, around 2 inches in the Kokomo area. But now all of that has moved out. We still have flood warnings that are going to go right on through the day to about 8:30 Sunday evening for all of central Indiana, as we'll still have some of those back roads that'll be rain covered and impassable, and we're going to continue to see those rivers rising as well. Here's just a few of those rivers and what we're expecting. The White River in Spencer, moderate flooding expected by early Tuesday with a crest of 20.9 feet. The East Fork of the White River in Columbus, moderate flooding also expected at 15½ feet Monday afternoon. And then the Big Blue River in Shelbyville, some good news. Originally it was expected to have some major flooding, now moderate flooding by early Monday at about 16½ feet. As we check out your TrueCast, we go through the day on Sunday. We're going to have the cloudy skies, and that will continue as we go right on into the evening. Maybe an isolated rain shower and snow flurry possible, but as far as adding any aggravation to that flooding problem, we shouldn't really see that. Temperatures will actually kind of fall off a little bit or hold steady as we go through the afternoon. They'll fall off around Muncie as that warmer air pulls away. 37 this afternoon, kind of holding steady where you'll be all day long. 35 in Lafayette, 39 in Bloomington. Then this evening we'll still have a few flurries in the forecast, but cloudy skies. Temperatures will fall through the 30s. Still a little breezy. Wind out of the west at 10 miles per hour. As we look ahead to your Monday, it's going to be a cold one. Winds out of the northwest 10 to 15 will make the upper 20s feel more like the upper teens and lower 20s. Your 7-day planning forecast. The best news we have for you is that it's fairly dry, fairly uneventful. A few flurries are possible there on Monday. It's going to be cold for Christmas Eve, but dry for any travel or last-minute shopping you may have. We start at 10, 20 for the high. Mix of sun and clouds Christmas Day, and 33. We'll stay with highs in the 30s Thursday.